Welcome back to another video. It's a brand new week, Monday morning. It's currently 11:37 in the AM. Look a little bit different because there's Android. But I don't have any trades. But as you can see there on the screen, this sell was it was a potential sell. I didn't actually take this trade because I missed it, but it was a nice trade. 15 minutes in and out. We're here right now, still looking at the charts. I don't have any trades. If I don't see a opportunity, then I won't go in. I'm not going to be taking any rando trades this week. Only trades that are according to the strategy. So since we don't have anything for right now, I'm going to pause the camera and come back and give y'all an update once we get a trade. So we're back. It's the next day, Tuesday, 7:38 in the AM, before the session starts. But yesterday I actually didn't take any trades, and I wanted to open the camera and actually talk to you guys about me not taking any trades. Two things. One, I realize now that I'm in a position where the things that I do and post online can affect and will affect some persons. It might influence their decision, and I don't want to be the person that's causing you to make wrong decisions or causing you to make decisions that you, in a sense, blame me for. So I wanted to make this video to talk to you guys about not trading. I believe it should be something that we discuss a lot more, especially now that more persons are watching and reaching out to me and learning my strategy or learning to trade the way I trade, or even just trading and connecting in general. What I do with my trading will affect my results and the approach that I have towards trading. If you implement these same tweaks or changes to your strategy, your results will be different. Not just because the strategy is different, but because you are different. The strategy is a combination of what you look for and you. It's not just you. That's the whole thing people overlook when it comes to trading, is we try to blurt out the human factor. We just try to forget that we're all different people with different minds and different feelings and all these different thinking and all these different things about us, but expect us all to perform the exact same way even if we have the same rules. It's like driving. When you're on the road, you can clearly tell when somebody is good at driving and when somebody's not so good at driving, because we're doing the same things. We could be in the same car, moving at the same speed, driving on the same road, but people will be doing different things. That's because we are different. Same thing with trading. So the changes that I make, please do your own back testing, do your own research before trying to make the same changes, because your results might differ. You might have better results than me. It's not saying that it might not help you, but I am saying take it with a grain of salt. Do your own research, because it might also negatively impact your results. And I've been backtesting, I've been journaling, and with this information, I can make these changes. It might not even seem like it makes sense to you, but trust me, if I change my entire system now and start to look for the things you look for, then I might go down the wrong road as well. So it might not be so good for me if I listen to you, and it might not be so good if you listen to me without any type of direct insight on the type of person I am, to know why I can trade this strategy, to know if you can trade this strategy, if the strategy is right for you, if my tweaks are right for you. So the information that's available on the internet is not saying that it's wrong, or it's not saying that it's right. It's just saying that it's for them. It might not be for you. It might be for a group of individuals. It might just be for a select few individuals. But the point is, every strategy, every system, every approach still needs to be tweaked to an individual. So nobody's technically wrong or right. The support and resistance trade is right as long as the person knows themselves. Supply and demand trader is right. Fair value gap or ICT trader is right. BTMM trader is right. They're all right. A trend line trader or Fibonacci trader is right. They're all right, but is it right to you? Is it going to be right to you as the individual? So that's one very important reason why I wanted to open the camera and talk about me not taking trades. It more so has to do with the tweaks that I'm making right now, which is why I'm not taking trades. But another reason why I also wanted to talk about not taking trades is your personal life. Like, even after you've done your research and you've back tested and forward tested and you've journaled and you developed your own strategy, or you understand a strategy that's out there, you still need to account for you. Your personal life. Is everything outside of trading situated in a way? Is situated the right word? I will use that for right now. But is everything outside of trading allowing you to trade with a clear mind? Do you have any type of drama or problems, family, money, work, friends, any type of stress that it's outside of trading? Is that on your mind when you're approaching the charts? Whether you're approaching the charts at night or in the afternoons or in the mornings, whenever you're approaching the chart, is your mind affected by anything else? Are you being affected by any external noise? It could be your environment. It could be literally just noise that you can't focus in, that you can't think clearly in. I'm not saying noise is music. Some persons trade and listen to music, but sometimes there might be some type of noise in your background, whether it's ambient noise probably won't prevent you from that, but you know the type of noise I'm talking about. When I used to record without a mic, y'all know the type of noise I'm talking about. But it can all affect your results if you don't take care of you. So when it comes to not trading, I need to record more videos of me not trading, because for a good while I be trading every day, or if I don't trade every day, it's because I'm not home or I miss a trade or something. But I rarely post videos of me actually showing up to the charts and not taking a trade if there's something actually going on in life. I am human. There must come a point in time where something will happen. I'm not saying that's no, but I'm not saying it's not no either. I don't have to come on here and vent, but at the same time, I can let you know that I'm human and I won't be trading every day. Some days I'll get it wrong because of my environment, and some days I might even be overhyped because of my environment. I'll get it right and I'll want to celebrate, and I'll show you that. I'll be as real as possible. I'll try my best to manage my emotions. I'll try my best to identify when I am in that phase or being affected by my environment. And yeah, I hope that this could also inspire you to do the same. I hope that you could start taking control of the way you react to how you feel and monitor it. Make sure that your environment is not affecting your trades, and also learn about you. When you understand your strategy, learn how it affects you. Learn how your changes will affect you. Learn how your approach affects you. If you are holding trades too long, if you want to hold trades for longer, if you want to take smaller positions, if you want to trade a specific pair, if you understand the movement, if you like the principle, or whatever the case is, learn you. And trading will become just more easier. You won't be influenced by any outside information or anything in general. We're all right. So someone suggesting something to you is still right. But as long as you learn you, then it won't that much affect you. You'll know if this change would benefit you or not. But for right now, I don't have a trade. It's still Tuesday. Like I said, it's before the session, but I highly doubt I'm going to trade today. I'm just going to watch the charts, and tomorrow definitely going to open the camera and let you know where my headspace is, whether we're going to be trading or not. So for right now, still haven't taken any trades for the week, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna come back and catch you hopefully once I get a trade tomorrow.